Since its inception in September 2009, Briggeman has established itself as a leading supplier of parts and tailor-made maintenance solutions for ports and industry. Our "we can get any part" mentality and massive database of spares from trusted international suppliers keeps our clients operating at the highest possible level. Edwin Briggeman, founder and owner, insists on an ethos of excellence, which in turn pushes the business to form a deeper connection with each of our clients, establishing true partnerships that are based on open, clear and honest communication, and servicing the business and maintenance needs of each client directly. These partnerships are backed by our commitment to do it right the first time and our extensive product knowledge. Besides our in-depth range of mechanical, electronic and hydraulic parts, Briggeman is also an agent for equipment suppliers such as Maffei trailers and haulers, Stinnes container spreaders, Method operating ergonomics. We have extended our product offering to serve other industries besides the port, with Phoenix LED lighting for equipment and high masts, Visi gate automation and container recognition systems, and pre-owned equipment from global player Forklift Center BV, offering rentals or outright purchase across a range of container handling and forklift models. To start your journey towards a true partner in maintenance, please visit www.briggeman.co.za to find out more.